Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about bold font setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your bold font in your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to on, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on bold font in your Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting, then guys you can see your display setting. So guys tap here, then guys scroll, and guys you can see font size and style, tap here, then guys you can see your bold font. So guys you will on from here. So after guys you can see your bold font as on in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on bold font in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.